Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is why don't we just go to Abuela's?
Oh yeah.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a lovely Friday here in Gainesville. We just had the hurricane pass. We've been having a lot of rain and everything, so I got ready. I'm doing 30 days of transitional fall outfits or fall outfit ideas. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to follow me. I'm going to be uploading them to my YouTube shorts as well, but they will be uploaded onto TikTok and Instagram too. So make sure to follow me over there. This is one of the outfits. Button down is from Princess Polly. The dress is also Princess Polly, which is more of like a seemingly summer dress, but styled it very fall. I feel like a little pumpkin or something. I love it. And then I put my hair up today because it's super dirty, honestly. And I'm just loving the simple jewelry, simple necklace, simple makeup that I did. I feel like I look super pretty. We have errands to run. Come with us. My boyfriend's birthday, Brandon / Helios. I call him both. It's a whole thing. I'll explain it to you. Having a little thing in the house, not too big or anything. He didn't even want a cake. He just wants ice cream. So we're going to have ice cream tomorrow. And yeah, we're just going to have burgers, play some cornhole. His brother's coming down. We're going to play some Mario Kart and just kind of relax. So hopefully tomorrow it clears up. According to the weather, it should clear up by tomorrow. So yeah.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Adorable. Oh my god. It comes with a cute little case. Oh.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Hi guys, so we just walked out of Target. It is pouring rain outside. I picked up a couple of things. So two things are just kind of like must. First, this is the NYX Thick It Stick It in the color brunette. It's what I have on my brows. I just literally had like no product left. Same with the brow glue by NYX. Love these. I picked these up, I think, I don't remember, a couple like months ago at Target. I ended up liking them a lot and I thought they were pretty affordable, so I'm picking those up again. And then two things that were kind of unexpected. The first are these Sugar Fix ghost earrings. Like, look how adorable they are. And they'll glow in the dark. I was actually going to pop them on and see what they look like. And then I found this mug and it says spooky vibes on the inside, and it's just like perfectly me, I feel. So I got this, feeling very Halloween-y today. Adorable, like adorable. Look at these. So focus. Yes, I do like cheesy Halloween stuff, but I can't help it. I'm a little kid, okay? I'm a little kid.
Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know